Hi, everybody. My name is Ben Baker, and we have a failure to communicate. Every year in the United States, $37 billion is wasted in ineffective internal communications. We want to help you fix that. But here's some stories that will give you some insights that will show you what is being done currently and how you can avoid them. We hope you find these valuable. We look forward to hearing from you. The devil is in the details. There is absolutely no question that the devil is in the details. Phone numbers, little things like phone numbers, can cost a company a fortune. Business cards, letterhead, envelopes, well, not so much envelopes, but brochures, catalogs, whatever. A misprinted phone number can cost a fortune. We were rebranding a customer and we went through the whole process, and we ended up printing these stand-up banners, their business cards. We were working on their brochure. Actually, we had finished their brochure and we're working on their website. And all of a sudden we get this panic phone call from people saying the phone number's wrong. Well, we had been getting them to sign off through the entire process. What they had been doing was just giving it a cursory look, not letting other people look at it, not getting a second set of eyes or a third set of eyes to be able to make sure that what was being printed was exactly as what they needed. And when they came back to us and said, well, you call us every day, I go, I dial, redial, or it's in my phone and I just type in Dave, and all of a sudden your phone number comes up. Yes, we missed it. Absolutely, we missed it, and we helped them. But on the other hand, they didn't go through the time and the effort to make sure that a number of people looked at it from different angles and checked different things to make sure that all the material was correct before it was signed off on and before it was printed. This ended up costing the customer $45,000. What we have here is a failure to communicate.